Hi guys, so today I just had a quick play around with the slow motion setting on the RX10 Mark IV, 500 frames a second on these. It was raining, which was really good for once, and it wasn't windy, so the rain was just falling straight down. This puts the actual real meaning of water off a duck's back. As it takes off there, all the water runs straight off its back down its tail. As you can see, the rain's landing into the moat, well, in front of the duck. Which is pretty cool. I handheld this because you've got so much of a frame rate, even if you are slightly unsteady, you don't get any shake showing at all. But the stabilisation is on anyway. The next one coming up is a duck basically cleaning himself. It's having a little bath, and it starts off it's been doing it for a while, but he basically was just cleaning himself, and then he has a big old shake. Which is really handy because it shows the water droplets and everything in really nice slow motion, which is really cool. That's why I love this sort of feature on the camera. The fact that you've still got the 24 to 600 millimeters worth of zoom range. It only goes down to ISO 100 for this, and these were shot at ISO 400 because the light was absolutely terrible. It was dull, no sunshine coming through, and it was still raining. So I need a little bit of help from the light situation, but this is, just shows you how good it is as just even a bit of fun, if anything. So please subscribe, guys, and keep sharing. Cheers.